Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Wix site to start over. So let's get started. So right now, we can actually head over to the settings option right here on the Wix dashboard. Then from there, click on website settings. And from there, just scroll all the way down until you reach the option for site history. So click on restore versions right here. Once you have done that, you will be able to see here the site history. So just scroll all the way down until you can see the last option. So just click on this arrow button right here in order to view the actual reset or factory reset default site of yours. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see this restore button right here. So from in there, just click on restore button and then click on restore right here in order to restore the most basic thing on your website. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to restore or reset your website on the basic settings. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.